How to find What's Later playlist on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to find What's Later playlist on YouTube. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the YouTube app on your device and make sure that you have logged into your YouTube account. Once done, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of this screen, and then you'll get access to this page where you can see the playlist option. Let's select View All option. Here you will see What's Later and Liked Videos playlist. So let's select What's Later option. And here you will see all the What's Later videos or playlists on YouTube. So that is how we easily find What's Later playlist on YouTube.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.